Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing a NECA Tooney Beetlejuice review. Just got this guy. Here he is in the box. Tooney. Here's the back. It comes like a little background. Let's get right into it. Here he is. Okay, he's out. Let's get all the garbage out of the way. Here is Beetlejuice. These guys come with like a background, each one of them. He comes with like this sand area from the movie. You can cut it out so they can stand behind it. But I'm not going to do that right now. But if you want him to have a background, you can cut that out. Now, his arms can move, his hands can move. His arms and hands can move. His feet can move, but his legs can't move. His head? No, his head can't move. So his feet, hands, and arms can move. Here's a close-up on his face. What he looks like. Here's his back. Here's his side. His other side. Here's his beautiful face. Really close. Let's get closer. 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 And that's what he looks like. So he does come with the back. He doesn't come with any other accessories in the back and him. I don't see anything bad about the figure. He's really cool. And I do have more of the Tooney figures, but I just got this one. I was trying to cut out the background. See what the back looks like. Here is his back, all cut out. Let's lay him on his back. Ground. There's him on his background. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. Oh wait, I forgot. 1 out of 10. What would I give him? I might give him a 9. It would be cool if he had an accessory. I don't know what his accessory could have been. Oh yeah, maybe, you know the giant worm things in the movie. Maybe he could have came with a worm and he could like sit on it or something. I don't know. But that's really it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you all next time. Bye.